How to become rich? Everyone dreams of becoming rich, but few actually achieve it. The journey to wealth is not just about earning money. It's about mindset, discipline, and smart decision. If you truly want to become rich, here is genuine and motivational guide to help you get there. Change your mindset. The first step to becoming rich is to change how you think about money. Rich people see money as a tool for growth, not just something to spend. They believe in financial freedom and work towards it. If you consistently think, I can't afford this, shift your mindset to how can I afford this. This small change will push you find opportunities instead of making excuses. Invest in yourself. Your biggest asset is you. Invest in learning new skills, reading books, and expanding your knowledge. And the more valuable for becoming, the higher your earning potential. Whether it's coding, business, marketing, or any other skills, master it. Education does not stop after school. Continuous learning is key. Starts early and stay consistent. Wealth is built over time. Start saving and investing as early as possible. Even small investment can grow into a fortune if given enough time. Consistency is the secret. Whether it's a business, a job, or investing, keep going even when results are not immediate. Build multiple income streams. Relying on one source of income is risky. The rich understand this and create multiple income streams, side business, investment, freelancing, or real estate. Find ways to your income so that I one source fails, other can support you. Take calculated risk. Rich people don't play it safe all the time. They take risk but in a smart way. Start a business, investment in stocks, or enter a new market. But always do your research. But talking, not risk mean rewards. Save and invest wisely. Just earning money is not enough. You must save and invest is avoid unnecessary expenses, make a budget, and put your money into assets that grow in value, like stocks, real estate, or a business. Let your money work for you. Surround yourself with the right people. Your environment shapes your success. Surround yourself with successful, motivated people who push you to grow. Learn more mentors, network with like-minded individuals, and stay away for negativity. Final thoughts. Becoming rich is not just about luck. It is about strategy and hard work and persistence. If you start today, stay consistent, and make a smart choice, will follow. The journey won't be easy, but if you keep pushing forward, success in inevitable. Start now. Your future self is. Thank you.